Hi everyone, this is module number 120 for the subject of SHRM. In this module, we will talk about the strategic options of human resource development, and the focus would be learning as socialization in an organization. So, we will see there is a strategic model of human resource management first, and then we will talk about one part of that model in this module. So if you look at this model, you can see that it is a 2 by 2 matrix model, and it suggests that how organizations can develop and how the human resource can develop in an organization. As I discussed in the past, if you look on the vertical axis, you can see indirect interventions and direct interventions. What does that mean? That organizations are directly or indirectly intervening and facilitating the process of human resource development. At the bottom level, you see that human capital, and at the on the horizontal axis, you see human capital and social capital. So there are four quadrants in this 2 by 2 matrix, and we will talk about each of them in a more detail. So let's see that what is learning as a socialization. So learning as a socialization reflects traditional approaches to the development of human capital. When employees or the workers of an organization they socialize with each other, there is a greater learning happens at that time. How often have you seen that employers are offering you training programs? Maybe once in a year, maybe twice in a year, for one day or maybe for 2 days. But learning through socialization involves and offers a greater amount of learning when you are interacting with your colleagues and your peers and with your seniors and supervisors. So, this is what we say that this is a learning as a socialization. So, the focus is on formal learning interventions such as training courses, coaching sessions, and educational programs. When you are meeting with the people, which is organized by the organization, this is where we say formal intervention by the employer. They have organized, they have arranged something where you socially interact with somebody. Might be it is during a training program, might be somebody is there for offering you the coaching and training. So, this is a formal intervention of the employer where you can learn through socialization. Or different colleagues, they are gathered at one place from might be different departments, or your peers, they are gathered at the same place where the socialization happens and people learn, and it is a formal intervention. So, this strategic option also includes formal initiatives that support career development and lifelong learning. So, learning as a socialization, primary responsibility is with the HRD professionals. In an organization, human resource development professionals they play or they look after particularly the training and coaching aspect of employees. So, we call them HRD professionals. They might be hired from the outside of the organization sometimes, or they may be within the organization. So, much of the training takes place off the job when you are invited or taken off from your job or primary responsibility. This is most of the time where socialization or learning through socialization occurs or happens. So this strategy is heavily reliant on the transfer of learning from the classroom to the workplace. So as I said that you have taken out of your or taken away from your workplace um, a classroom to the workplace where most of the times socialization occurs, and this is one form of learning which is perhaps critical in many aspects, and it may form a greater amount or greater the role of learning when we are talking about learning as a socialization through the formal process. Remember, guys, learning through socialization does not or cannot be confined to the formal process, but initiatives by the organization will make it a formal process of socialization. Thank you.